This is Mel John. Here's my collection of sound and action, German hard rock, heavy metal, rarities. This is Volume 5, the final battle that came out this year. There's the cover. Here's the track listing. Then here's, this one came out in 2024. This is Volume 4 of the series. I like the track. These are good songs, man. They're rare. Some of them had a hard time finding them on the web. I had to read the booklet closely and all that. Then this one came out in 2023, Volume 3. There's the track listing. And then this is Volume 2. There's the track listing. And there's Volume 1. And track listing. It's pretty neat because the drummer, one of my favorite drummers, Neon, I don't know how you say his nickname at all, but this is from his collection, all these songs he picked. But he got from he had him on in his collection. He put them on CD for a lot of people to hear the music of these rarities. And it's really good. I like it. Almost like it's close to 11 hours of music on all all 5 volumes, man. And some are basically out of print. You know, I glad he put them on CD because they're nice. You get a little bit like of pop rock on here. You get a little bit of heavy metal. You get some death metal, black metal, crossover, thrash, you name it. It's all over the board. All these different bands from Germany, of all places. It's amazing. And I recommend these CDs a lot, man. But man, this is good artwork. I like the covers on each one. If you like fantasy artwork, this is some of the best fantasy artwork I've ever seen on a compilation. I'm not a big compilation person to get compilations in my collection, but these are amazing. Like, share, and comment, and sub. And metal rules.